welcome to another YouTube video. I'm going to show you how to use create mod trains. Trains are an interesting thing to use, especially since you can just drive them around the world and have no problems. First, what you need is you need to place a train station. Well, connect it to the track. Just do basically that. And then you right click it. You can name it if you want. It doesn't matter though. You need train tracks though. You need to loop it all the way around if you don't want to have to back up, because backing up is annoying though. So you press create new train. You get train casing. Make sure it's train casing because it won't work. And then if you just place train casing, you can change it. Now you can change between two different styles if you want. You can also make more trains. So what you want to do is you can design this as much as you want, but the main things you need is control for the train controls, and a seat. You will be knocked off the train if you do not get a seat. So basically what you want to do is get train case. You can get any type of wood actually. You also need glue for this, which I completely forgot. What you need glue for is you basically need to glue everything together. Like, right click one part, glue it all together. Now, basically what you need to do is you need to place the train controls and the train seat. And then you want to glue all of this together. Just get it all together so it all works properly. Press a symbol train. You can name the train if you want. Then you get into the train seat by right clicking it. You right click the controls and then you can drive it around. Now if you can split the tracks, basically you'll go forward, but if you want to turn left before you get to the turn, press A to turn left, and basically the exact same thing with right, but you press D. And that's how to use create mod trains. Make sure to like and subscribe.